Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery on a 2017 Accord Sport. This also works with any 9th generation Accord. And the first thing you want to do is take off the negative and then take off the positive. And then you want to take the bracket off and then this plastic cover, take this thing off, and then you could take the whole battery out and replace it with a new one. And the battery I'm using is a Super Start Premium. Got this at O'Reilly's. And I also got this thing here, terminal protector. So yeah, I'm ready to go. And the battery that I'm using for this car is 51R, because that's what it's recommended. And yeah. You want to pull straight up. This one you want to pull straight up. And then this one, all you got to do is loosen this side, because this side just holds the tension. So once you loosen this side, it takes the tension off the back, and then you could just take the back hook off. So now you can put this bracket to the side. And then this plastic cover comes off. Put that to the side. And now you can pull the whole battery out. Alright, so I got the battery back in. I'm gonna put this battery cover back on. Alright, once the cover is back on, you want to put the hook back on, which is this thing. And there's a slot in the back for this hook to go in. It's pretty dark. You guys probably can't see it, but there's like a little hole back here where the hook goes into. There you go, I got it in. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but there's a little hole where the hook goes into. There's a little bit of it sticking out right there. But yeah, it goes into there. Oh, it came off. Alright, so it's in. And then this one goes into another hole in the front. So you hook those into, you hook the back one in first, and then you hook the front in, and then you tighten this up and it'll hold the battery down. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so once you got the hook or this this bracket back in, and you got the hooks in, tighten it up. I had to adjust the back because this battery is a little bit taller than the old one. So I had to adjust the back, and then I adjust the front, so now it's nice and tight. I hurt my finger earlier doing this because, you know, it happens when you work on cars. So you want to start with the positive, put it back on, and then you go with the negative, put that back on, tighten it up, and you guys should be ready to go. That's about it. So now I'm gonna go inside the car and start it up, see what happens. All right, moment of truth. Nice, it started. Let's see if anything reset.
Check out our special deals at MorongoCasinoResort.com.
Alright, I don't have to put in the radio code. Awesome. I'm so glad I don't have to do that with this one. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you change the battery on a 9th generation Accord or a 2017 Accord Sport. That's that. Thanks for tuning in, guys.